Good day, everybody. My name is Coulter Daubert. I am the owner and operator of Kiko Roofing LLC. And today I wanted to go over a few things associated with insurance claims and kind of what to expect or what to look for after a possible hailstorm, or if you have people that you see in the area that are stopping, talking to homeowners about possible storm damage. So, key thing that I tell everybody is to have a really good relationship with your insurance agent. Okay, there's a lot of companies out there. A lot of them are good, just like roofing, right? There's a lot of good ones, maybe not so good ones, whatever. But the fact is that you have a relationship with your insurance agent, so you can reach out to them and talk to them about what's going on. A lot of stuff that I see is claims being opened that don't really need to be opened. So I kind of wanted to cover that today and help you as a homeowner and what you can look for or just be cautious of when thinking about filing a claim for roof damage or whatever the storm did when it came through. So as you know, a lot of companies do door knocking. The number one thing I tell people, besides having a good relationship with your agent, is make sure whoever you're talking to about your roof, that they are a reputable company. Nowadays, companies can come in from out of state, grab a PO box, they can grab an address at a co-work location and say they're local and get a Google number that gives them a local phone number. These are the reasons that I tell people that if you have a good relationship with your agent, your insurance agent, that agent might have a good relationship with a reputable roofer that is local. Okay, someone that actually is local and that they know does really good work. So it's important to make sure that whoever you're talking to, that they're reputable. And reach out to your agent and see what they have to say, because they might hear things about companies and deter you from them. My number two thing is whoever you're talking to or whoever inspects your roof, do not sign any paperwork. Okay. I know as a roofer, a lot of roofing companies say, hey, no, I need you to sign this piece of paper. That way we can file a claim for you and do all this other stuff. But the fact of the matter is this: if it is a reputable company and an honest person, me personally, as a owner, I don't care about a piece of paper. I don't. You're either going to do business with me or you're not. So I don't need you to sign a piece of paper saying that you're going to do business with me, because I'm not everybody's cup of tea. So I encourage everyone, don't sign a piece of paper. If they're trying to tell you that, no, I need you to so we can file a claim, tell them, you know what, I'll call my agent and we will file the claim. Can you provide me this information? Storm date and where the damage is. That's all you need to tell your agent, is that you had a storm, it involved hail, I have hail damage from this storm, May 8th, and the damage is on my roof, gutters, downspouts, and other exterior aspects of my home. That's all you need when you talk to your agent, okay? If they're real pushy about it, that's probably a sign that you might want to get a hold of somebody else. Number three, I also tell homeowners, look around your house. Maybe you were out of town and you didn't see the hail hit, or you're wondering if you really do have damage. Check the exterior of your home. A good spot to look at is your downspouts, where your downspouts come down. Look and see if you have little dents above the waist. You know, don't look below, because like me, when I'm weed eating or mowing, I hit the downspouts. That's not hail damage. So I always tell people to look from the waist up and try to see if you see any dings on your downspouts. If you do, if it's not smooth and you see a dent, that's possibly from hail. I'm not going to recommend you get up on the roof. That could be kind of scary. But another thing to look for is at the end of your downspout, take a look. Do you have a ton of granules from your roof sitting there on the ground? That's where the hail is impacting the shingle for a period of time during the storm and knocking granules off your roof. That is another indication. Even if it's not storm related, that's still a good reason to at least get a peace of mind inspection from a reputable roofer to see what's going on with your roof. And of course, if you go through a hailstorm or something like that, a major storm, and you see damage on your car, you're going to have damage on your roof. Okay. Because that is a hard metal. It's taken hail damage. You probably have it up on the roof. Okay. So, those are the key things I always recommend people watch out for. Those are my 3 key things. Obviously, if you ever have any questions or want more information, feel free to message me, reach out, call, text, whatever you prefer. But also, going back to the second one where you're talking with a roofer, have them show you the actual hail date. Most roofing companies have like an app they use to show when the hail hit, where it hit, and everything, what size it was. Ask to see that. Go, hey, can you send me a screenshot of that so I can share it with my agent? That's all stuff that roofers should be sharing with you, because to be reputable and to get your name out there as a roofer that people can trust, they should be open to any of your requests. So, again, I hope this was educational for you. I hope it helps you out, and always feel free to reach out. But I hope you have a blessed day, and God bless.